po sa pag-support na po sa NX Road Warriors NBA.
So, Kevin, since you're one of the players who's been in the league the longest, at least for this team, just what can you say about this particular group of guys? How special is this group of guys? And how excited are you going to the next season?
Very, very excited kasi the team's composed of a mix of young ones and vets na rin. So, and of course, yung coaches namin is preparing us every day in practice for us to reach our goal to be the season playoff and semi-final.
What are you most looking forward to this season, Kev?
Siguro the journey itself kasi na namin alam kung mga magdadaanan namin. So, kaya masusubukan yung character ng ano ba talaga what we're made of. So, I'm looking forward and excited for that journey.
Kanino ka pinaka-excited makita yung growth or like the progress? Just of one particular player na you're excited just also because of the potential or yung nakikita mo lang din?
Si Jonel Policarpio, kasi mataas yung potential ng bata.
So, abangan na lang lahat. Lalo yung mga kabalit ng Kapampangan. Abangan natin si Jonel. Okay. Bakit? Si Jonel. Okay. Thank you, Kev. I'll let you prepare for the Q&A later on with the